Yes, we'll take the topic of mnemonics. What are mnemonics? Mnemonics are the devices which help us remember something. To boost our vocabulary, we have to learn or invent mnemonics. For example, if you want to remember Shakespeare, you can remember Shake, yes, Peer. This is a mnemonic which helps you to remember Shakespeare. Likewise, assiduous. Note down the pronunciation. Assiduous. What is the mnemonic I have invented? That is, hard working like an ass. If you remember, the ass, the meaning is hard working like an ass. You can easily remember the meaning. Assiduous. Any doubt about this? As soon as you read this word assiduous, you remember the ass, which is hard working. Now, next one is wrath or wrath. What do you mean by wrath? Wrath means anger. How do you remember? Can you invent any mnemonic? Wrath, had, anger. This is a Hindi or Urdu word. A mnemonic may be senseless or funny. It just reminds you of the original meaning of word. For example, wrath, full. What's the meaning? Angry, angry. What is the mnemonic I have invented? Wrath was full of anger. Wrath was full of anger is equal to angry. This is how we boost our vocabulary. What do you mean by boost? Note down the word boost means improve or increase. Note down. Next comes the word careen. Is to walk in an uncontrolled way. How to remember? The mnemonic I have invented is you add A to, that becomes Kareena Kapoor. Careened down the catwalk. What's the meaning of careen? To move or walk in an uncontrolled way. To remember that, you remember Kareena. This spelling is the name of Kareena Kapoor, but the word we remember is careen. Any doubt about this? Next one, if you want to remember the 8 parts of speech, nap, I have invented nap, vap, see. Note down, noun, adjective, pronoun, verb, adverb, preposition. It is not preposition, it is preposition, then comes conjunction and interjection. This is the way we boost our vocabulary. You can learn hundreds of words by inventing mnemonics. Any doubt?